Well, my project just got a little bit easier. And let me tell you about this. My aunt just came back for lunch. She had some exciting news. She said, hey, she talked to the people who are going to install the granite countertop and the sink and the new faucet and the new garbage disposal and everything. And he said they just happen to have this new thing out now where it's a push button. And the push button goes right into the sink counter area, and they drill a hole through there, and there's a button on off, a push button for the garbage disposal. So this switch, this wall switch, is going to go away altogether, and the new wiring gets hooked up underneath, or I don't know, it might be a little pigtail that gets plugged into your existing electrical outlet underneath the sink. And so I don't have to move this over here now. I don't have to pull this apart, remove the Formica there. I was a little bummed with finding out that knowledge because I don't get to make a video of it, but maybe some other time I will, because obviously if you have an existing sink, you want to move that and you're not replacing your sink or anything, then you would have to know how to put that over there, okay? But for $60, they're going to have it put right in there. That's kind of cool.